Hi, Greta Fitz here, and I'm the founder of Ascension. You have bought Ascent To Courage. This is basically a little bit of an unboxing video to show you what's inside the box, what to do with all the disassembled pieces, how to get the crystal out, because I'm sure some of the crystals are big, some of them are small. They come in all different shapes and sizes, just like each and every one of us come in different shapes and sizes that are amazing. Let's get right to it, okay? So when you open this up, you're gonna see your fair trade crystal, which is inside. And if you need to pop it out, you could literally just lift up the sleeve and pop it right out. But this one just decided to have a mind of its own. So there it is, Ascent To Courage, citrine. We're gonna put that aside and we're gonna take out the tray, because inside there's the tray. There's also the bottle. So we're gonna take out the bottle, and then there's two cards. There's your ritual card. This card is amazing because it's basically this video in written form. So if you prefer to read what you have to do or to have a guide right next to you to show you a step-by-step process, or if this video is enough, that's amazing. Anything goes, whatever you're comfortable with, okay? Then we have our mantra card, and this mantra card is incredible because it has an incredible affirmation that I use for myself. Courage is this incredible energy that we have inside of us, because it's not the absence of fear. It's feeling the fear and doing it anyway. And this affirmation and this mantra helps you unleash your inner warrior to go through it, to grow through it. Okay, so we're gonna do that together. This mantra and this whole thing have actually helped me get to where I am right now, so it works, all right? So we're gonna take your crystal. This is your fair trade citrine. And the reason why everything is disassembled is because of energy. Because if you have people assembling this and putting this all together, you have their energy. Grab your smudge. If it's Palo Santo, mugwort, sage, make sure it's sustainable. You need to basically set your intention into the crystal so that it's your own and that it works with you and for you. So let's talk about courage. What does courage feel like? But first thing I'm gonna ask you is, what are you afraid of? What is your biggest fear? Okay, whether it's in your career or whether it's in your life, is it a life change that you need to make that you're afraid of? Is it a big career change you need to do? Or are you afraid to start your own business? What is it that you are afraid of? And let me tell you something, that fear is basically your destiny. On the other side of that fear is what you have to go through to learn to conquer that fear, to come out and rise on top. And it's not easy, but you know what? If you learn how to flow and work with and learn how the universe works with you and for you, and if you get rejected, guess what? That's protection. Rejection is protection every direction. Remember that, okay? So when that fear starts percolating inside of you and you're like, oh, I can't do this, I just don't have it in me, I'm so scared. Forget that, okay? Remember who you are. If on the other side of that fear, you see yourself doing it and feeling like you're thriving and you feel that love and bliss, guess what, babes? That means you gotta do it. That means that's your destiny and that you're made for it. You just gotta learn how to go through it. And I want this fragrance to be that stepping stone for you to help you springboard into your best self. So think about what that feels like and put your energy right into this stone, this little stone. Put your energy into it and you'll see how powerful it really is. You put it into your tray and you lock it in, okay? And this fragrance is so incredibly special because it has so many different sides to it. It's got this citrus invigorating side, but it's got this smoky badass side. That dichotomy of this innocence with this badassery that you're gonna unleash inside of you, okay? And we're gonna do that together because I need this on the regular. Spray your fragrance, and when you spray your fragrance, remember that feeling of fear, but now look through the lens of courage. Look through the lens of, okay, I'm afraid, but I'm gonna do this anyway and it's gonna be okay. Feel that energy of courage and it's powerful. Smell your fragrance and lock in that feeling, all right? And guess what? You just made an impression. You made a memory in your brain. So anytime you feel fear, you spray your fragrance, you smell it, and then you remember that it's all good and that you are so powerful and that you could achieve anything that you put your mind and intent behind. Remember that. And then as you go about your day, when you feel those feelings, you could spray your fragrance, you could read your mantra card. These are all the tools that you need in your arsenal, in your warrior self to help you thrive. all right? It's made with so much love for you. Post on Instagram, tag us at Ascension Beauty Co. I wanna see all your videos, all of your intention settings, all of your stories. I wanna see it because I'm right there with you. I'm rooting for you because I know you can do it, all right? I love you, thank you.